How's it going, me family? C.Mea here with an unboxing video. I know it's been a while, but hey, I got a really big package from Lego.com, and hey, you can see my hands. And yay, package from Lego.com. You can see a sheet of paper there. That's to cover up my personal information, because obviously I don't want you people to knock on my door, not because I don't trust you, but just for privacy reasons and stuff like that. But we have a package from Lego.com. I ordered some stuff, and since it was an order above $100 and it was on Boxing Day, I got some nice deals. Well, Lego.com, they don't necessarily have the best Lego deals on not Boxing Day, on Black Friday. But I still got some pretty decent ones. And considering I'm Canadian, I have to pay extra money to get Lego sets. I mean, getting them at a lower price than the standard US price is amazing. So, yeah, I mean, geez. You people that live in the US, you have to pay a lot less than us Canadians. And it sucks for us. But whatever. Good deals from time to time equals nice stuff, and look, you can see my hand. I haven't even zoomed in correctly. But anyway, let's just start. So I'll just do this. Gotta be careful not to put my head there, because you might see it otherwise. And I don't want to face reveal today. Nope. Especially not on my second channel. Anyway, package from Lego.com, and since it was Black Friday deal / holiday deal, and above $100 deal thing, I got the no shipping thing, and I got like a free bonus thing that I'll show you. But, oh, wait, I haven't even flipped the flippy. Look at that. Aha, all the time. Always flip the flippy. Okay, I'm just not trying to ruin the Lego set here. Looks good, looks decent, looks like something I want. Good, perfect! You cannot see my face! And it's better that way. So, I'll just... Wait. I'll just do something like that. Perfect! I know, I'm doing something really fancy just so you can't see my personal information, but hey, it's just a theory. A game theory. Thanks for watching. Perfect. Yes. Oh, you know what? Wait a second, I don't want to ruin my backup thing, so I'll just cut the thing completely. I know, but whatever. And I actually cut about 1/3 of a millimeter of a Lego box. Always be careful around knives, people. All the time. Thank you, sheet of paper. Now you're ruined. I can't even use you for scripts. Oh well, it'll go in my junk paper file thing. Perfect. Now the personal information is completely gone. So no more of that. As you can see, Lego, they pack their boxes really well. That's something I'm really happy about. It says, "Thank you for your order. For customer service, please visit us online at www.shop.lego.com or call 1-800-835-4386, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., and Saturday and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. We're here to help you." Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna read everything because it's the first time I'm receiving a package from Lego itself, so I'm hyped. I don't know how they pack their things, so hey. Why are Lego Shop at Home boxes so plain? You might have noticed that our shipping boxes are not quite as colorful and exciting as our toys, but the boxes are awesome! They're epic. Really, I like the boxes. I really like them. Really. There's a good reason for that. Many people order gifts from others for Lego from Lego Shop at home. By keeping your boxes plain, we help gift givers keep their secrets. Oh, well, that's nice. That's a nice excuse for having plain boxes, Lego. But, I mean, plain boxes are better for the environment anyway, so... GG, Lego, that's awesome. Anyway. First up, I feel like it's Christmas, and it's not even Christmas. This is a gift from me to myself. Anyway. I got myself Sir Fangar's Ice Fortress. So let me just zoom that right to the perfect amount. That seems decent. Is it? Oh, that's perfect. That's nice. I got myself a Sir Fangar's Sir Fortress. Yeah, right. Sir Fangar's Ice Fortress. A really powerful set. Quite a few characters as well. It's just a set I didn't have, and since C.Mea's ending soon, I want to get, like, basically all the sets. And I want to complete, like, that wave. I think I need only 2 more sets for that wave, and then there's the last wave. It's a lot of money, but hey. I'm doing it for... just in case I do C.Mea style missions at some point for, I don't know. I'm not going to buy any Nexo Knights, I'm not going to buy any other brands, or mostly I'm not going to buy any other brands, because I'm too poor. I'm concentrating mostly on Ninjago and C.Mea, and since C.Mea's ending, finally, I can get more money for more Ninjago. So, that was to complete C.Mea here. Sir Fangar's Ice Fortress, I'm just gonna put that here. And then, we have that thing. Oh gosh, it's heavy. Wait, I'm just not trying to ruin the boxes. And there's something, aha. Wait, there are papers. You cannot see the papers. Maybe there's personal information. Let me just double check right quick before you have a peek at it, because I wouldn't want that to happen. Let me just block everything. Whew, you didn't see it. Perfect. And I was right. There was personal information. A lot of it. This order cost $187.55 for your information. So yeah, I got Sir Fangar's Ice Fortress for about $50 and the Phoenix Temple for about $110. So that's awesome, really. And that's it. It just says thank you for your order. Well, you're welcome. Oh gee whiz, if I ever do... Ooh, wow, this one's big! If I ever do a Blitz review of that one, it's gonna be tough. I don't know if that's even possible. Can you even do a review of that set in under like 2 minutes? I don't know. Blitz reviews are fun. I mean, I've done one. I sucked at it, but I mean, I'll improve, definitely. But here's the Flying Phoenix Fire Temple. So many Fs, or at least F sounds. Comes with even more minifigures, as you can see. That's a really powerful set. It's too big for the camera. Look. Powerful. I haven't even shown the back of the boxes. Actually, there are a lot of boxes I have never looked at. I have never looked at some of my boxes back for some reason, because I always forget there's stuff there. And when I review, I'm like, oh my gosh, there's this function I never saw in my life! And then I look at the back of the box and it was there, and I just missed it. But that's just me. That's just me being stupid. Anyway, it turns into a temple, so that's awesome. Really. Let me just put that here. Perfect. That's one heck of a big box. Usually this set is about $140 here in Canada, so I saved $30 there, and I saved about, I think, $40 for that one because it's usually $90 here in Canada. And finally, there's the Gingerbread House, which was free because of my order. Yeah. So, a limited edition Gingerbread House. You can see the packaging is a little bit softer, cheaper too, but I mean it's a limited edition set they give out for free if you buy it for over $100. So, I think you still have time. I think you do. 277 pieces for free is awesome. Oh, this is awesome. Really, it's amazing. Looks nice. I don't think I want to destroy it for pieces. I'm still not sure. I certainly will not do a review on it because there's just no point. There's just no point. That's basically it. That's the set. Let me just... Oh, I forgot to put Skype on Do Not Disturb, and there was a Skype sound right there. Oops. My bad. See, I'm reviewing it right now. It looks pretty good. There are a lot of details on it, a lot of candy, and a lot of things that look like a gingerbread house, obviously. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rate it at 7.8 out of 10 too much water. So that's the gingerbread house, and that's basically it. That's my haul. Unboxing. I'm gonna say unboxing, not haul. Is it a haul video? Or an unboxing video? It's both at the same time! It's too complicated for a title. I don't know what I'll title this video. But you know, because you can read the title. I haven't even thought about it yet. But it's probably gonna be like, I don't know. Christmas Lego Order Haul / Unboxing. That's the title. Lego Christmas Order Haul / Unboxing. Yeah, that seems nice. That's decent. Hit the like button down below first if you enjoyed the video and are a proud member of the Mea family. Comment. It's always appreciated. Subscribe to C.Mea if you haven't already joined the Mea family. It's squad awesome right here. Also, do not forget to check out my main channel, our main channel, C.MeaX, where I upload stop motions, let's plays, theories, top 10s, stop motions theories, let's plays. I haven't even mentioned top 10s, but now I did. So top 10s. Well, I mean I did twice, but yay! Pokemon Wi-Fi battles, stop motion. I'm just saying the same stuff over and over again. But this, I mean, if you're subscribed to this channel and not C.MeaX, you have a problem with your life. Your life is not complete. Go subscribe to C.MeaX. It's an amazing channel. The stop motions are just plainly amazing, and I'm basically buying all those sets for possible stop motions. I'm spending all that money for you guys, so yeah. I'll see you next time, and as always, Johnny. Oh my god, haul video! I don't know what I'm doing. I'm usually supposed to end my videos with not with anything else other than Johnny.